Hey, my name's Nadernejad, and welcome to our private community on Skool, Boost Your Online Reputation. In this community, you're going to learn how to fix your online reputation from beginning to end, but it's so much more than that. We have course modules to walk you through it and teach you how to do it. But we also share proprietary information, how to suppress negative links using what we call suppression kits. You're going to get access to 3 suppression kits to learn how to suppress negative content on the web, any search engine, any country, and exactly how to do it. We get ultra specific, so you have every resource that we have internally within our company. Price right now is very affordable. It might go up a little bit in the future, as we might have to put more resources and time into making sure all the assets are updated and it's timely. But overall, we want to keep this affordable for clients who can use it. It's the only community that exists in this sense of modules and updated resources on the web, and we're proud to bring it to you. You'll get to ask questions, speak with other members, and there are rules for joining this group. The first one's confidentiality. In this group, we work together in a private setting to fix your online reputation, so please be respectful of other people. The second thing is we support each other. Sometimes we need a helping hand, we need advice, and we want to share learnings and insights, so we share it within that group. Another thing is no judgment. Everybody in here is looking to fix their online reputation. You might be trying to do it proactively, but generally people joining this group are trying to repair a crisis, and we don't need more crises. So we apply a judgment-free approach, respectful language and communication within the group at all times. If you're looking to fix your online reputation, step by step, have it in front of you, both visually and systematically, this is the perfect group for you. You're gonna get access to me. I check this group every morning. In the instances where I can't, a member of our team will log on to answer any requests. You'll also get access to a private WhatsApp channel where all of us can communicate and ask questions about online reputation management. I'll answer generally by text or even by using voice messages so that we can stay in touch. In addition to all the resources, the step-by-step guides that you're going to get, and the guarantee of a positive reputation outcome, you're going to get access to 1 call a month with myself and a group of people who are looking to fix their online presence. So you're not going to be alone in this journey. It is a very affordable way to do it, and it's well paced so you don't lose track of where things are. We're excited to bring this to you. We are piloting it right now, and we'd love you to join our community. Get started right now by subscribing, and if you have any questions, you can email me at media@nadernejad.com. I'll get back to you with a walkthrough. With that being said, we look forward to helping you boost your online reputation, and we'll see you in Skool.